Hello, everyone. My name is Jeevan, and I'll be explaining about our project ShipShape. This project was built for the Claude Hacks hackathon, and we have chosen the developer tool track. So, what is our project? So, when you look at our project, it's a project management tool. It is a tool that will help you organize your team members better, manage your team members better, and help you develop the initial prototype code as early as possible. So when you look at the dashboard, we have a master directory of all the team members that we have. They can be hardware engineers, data scientists, associate engineers, or even managers. And we can also add new members. And it will show up in the directory. So we also have project tasks and team status and the current tasks assigned to the project. Let's look at it in action. So when we want to add a new project, we can use the assistive AI function and we can just upload a PDF of the project SOP. I'll be choosing the vocal of the project right now and just hit the create project button. Now, based on your internet, it will be either extremely fast or extremely slow. But while it is working, let me tell you how it works. We've used Claude MCP to analyze the PDF and extract the contents of the PDF. Once you have the contents, we are using Claude API to analyze the contents, create project tasks, and assign members to the project tasks. So as you can see, a project vocal list was created, and opening it will, you can immediately see that some tasks were developed, members were assigned to it, and it's also generating a tech stack. Now, this is super useful if you are in the initial prototyping phase. So it says it's been generated. Let me just refresh the page. Yep. So as you can see, it's generated tech stack for your task. And the cool thing is that all of them are related. So it's not like this task is, this tech stack is completely isolated from this. You can click on view details. It will explain the details to you. So it is telling you to use Node.js, Passport.js, JSON Web Tokens, MongoDB for database, TypeScript, and CORS. It's also telling you about development tools that you will need, the best practices for implementation, and also the coolest part is that it gives you learning resources where you can directly learn about the implementation of the tools. If you don't like this response, you can always regenerate it, and it will regenerate a new response with new tech stack, which may be more helpful to you. Now, you can also add team members to this. Let's say I want to add Lucas. So I just click on him and I add him, and I can assign him a task. And assigning tasks is as simple as dragging and dropping, and it will generate a tech stack for him based on his role. I can also create a new task, set the priority for the task, add the deadline, create, and I can assign it to any new members or swap it out with existing members. So I can also add team members by just dragging them and dropping them on the project. As you can see, Priya was added here, and I can just drag and drop. Yep. Now, once you develop multiple projects, let's say you have 10, 15, 20 projects, it becomes difficult to keep track of who's working on what. So for that, we use a Project Mindmap. Now, the cool thing is that it gives you a visual view of what project who is working on, and yeah, and what tasks they have. And as you can see, you can remove tasks from here. You can delete tasks. You can make some changes to it. And all of it is reflected back in the dashboard. As you can see, I just edited this. And once I do here, I can go back to my map and it shows up here. I can also edit the person's name, which I will not be doing now. I can edit what project they work on, and a lot of cool things. I can also, so as you can see, it can sometimes get very messy. So we have this organize feature where it organizes the entire map into a readable form. You can choose the line style and choose, and you can also sync or add nodes directly from here. So once you have all the onboarding processes done, uh, you can also have an onboarding for the project where you have a set of instructions. You can complete the task and finish your work on time and have like a cool roadmap for you to see if you've completed whatever prerequisites are needed. Yep. So as you can see, it makes it quite simple to manage members, to move things around move things around, to reallocate tasks, and so on. So this is a really cool way of organizing your dashboard, assigning members to project, maintaining uh, quick prototyping and development, and improves collaboration as well. All of those was built using Claude MCPs and Claude APIs, with backup measures in place in case one of it fails. And hopefully, hopefully I'll have this hosted on the internet so that you can try it out as well. Thank you for listening to the demo.